Good morning, students. So we are doing the topic admission of a partner, that is the chapter 4. Okay. So earlier we have done the first case when new profit sharing ratio or sacrificing ratio is not given in the question, and new partner is getting his share from the old partners in old profit sharing ratio, right? Now we are going to discuss the second case when new ratio of old partner is given, right? So in this case, what we have to do? We'll deduct new partner share from 1. Suppose we are taking example. A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in 3:2 ratio. C is admitted as a new partner with 1/4 share of profit A and B decided to share their future profit in 2:1. So we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So in this case, see, what is given? The new ratio of the old partner is given. So that is A and B decided to share their future profit in 2:1, right? So how we will calculate? First of all, we will take the total share is equal to 1. Let the total share is equal to 1, right? Now we will deduct his share. We will deduct, that is new partner share. C share is 1/4. We will deduct C's share from 1, and remaining share, that is 1 minus 1/4, 3/4, will be divided among the old partners in their future ratio, right? Now the remaining share, that is 3/4, will be divided among the old partners in their new ratio. What is the new ratio of old partner? It is given, that is 2:1. So A's new share will be, it is 2/3 of 3/4 will be equal to 6/12, and B's new share, that is 3/12, right? So what we have done? The remaining share will be divided among the old partners in their new ratio, that is given in the question. 3:2 we are not taking because 3:2 was old ratio. But it is given in the question that A and B decided to share in the future in 2:1. So remaining share will be divided among the partners, old partners, in their new profit sharing ratio. So 2/3 of 3/4, that is 6/12, will be new profit sharing ratio of A, and 1/3 of 3/4 will be of B, that is 3/12. Now what we have to do? We have to equal the base, that is C's share is 1/4. So it will be multiplied by 3/3 because we have to equal the base of all the partners, that is 3/12. So new ratio among A and B, A, B and C will be equal to, it is 6/12, 3/12 and 3/12, or we can write 6:3:3. Further we can divide, that is 2:1:1, right? Now the next case, when new partner acquire his share from the old partners in equal ratio, right? So we are taking example, A and B are partners. Sharing profit and loss in 3:2. C is admitted as a new partner with 1/4 share which he gets equally from A and B. Now again we have to calculate new ratio. So this is the third case when new partner gets his share equal from old partners. Now how do you calculate the new ratio? Again it means C's share is 1/4, that is given in the question, which he gets equally from A and B. It means A sacrificed half of 1/4, that is 1/8. Again same, B sacrificed half of 1/4, that is 1/8, right? Which will be directly deducted from A and B's profit sharing ratio. So what was the old ratio? A's old ratio was 3/5 and B's old share was 2/5. And formula of new ratio will be equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio, right? So sacrifice we have calculated, that is 1/8 and 1/8. Old ratio is given in the question, that is 3/5 and 2/5. So see, so A's new ratio, A's new share will be 3/5 minus 1/8. That is 19/40. And B's new share will be 2/5 minus 1/8 because both have sacrificed equally. So 11/40. So again C's share was 1/4 because base is 40, so it will be multiplied by 10/10, so it will be 10/40. So the ratio will be, new ratio will be 19:11:10. So we can check 19 plus 11 plus 10 is equal to 40. So new ratio between A, B and C will be 19:11:10. If they'll ask you have to calculate the sacrifice ratio also. So sacrifice we have already calculated, that is 1/8, 1/8, and we'll ignore the basis. So sacrificing ratio will be 1:1 among A and B. Okay? So we'll do the next case tomorrow. Thank you.